Well, there's our intermission. Sorry about that, guys. Making it work like the Millennium Falcon. I'm gonna put some water on this stove. Afternoon coffee. We'll start in a minute or two here real soon. Nice trading break, suppose. Hey, welcome back, my friend. Sorry about that. Good to go for now. I can fix it, but I would have to lower the quality, so I don't really want to do that. I'm trying to keep it as high quality as possible, so I've been like tweaking settings here and there as we go every day. Trying to keep it all nice and HD. You know the captain, I'll keep working on it till we fix it. Hey, Eastside, Geoper. Metamaterial. We're just in the middle of a bunch of interesting charts. Here's some good suggestions. Mr. Nimbus, I didn't get your last super chat that you were asking about. The last thing I see is about Fun token. Fun. Part of why I'm live right now is to double check these settings for tomorrow for an 8-hour live show. Hope to see you there. Pre-market's looking to be explosive. And native, you really like skills. Isn't that a stock too, that gaming one? Crypto's hot right now. What's the dollar? Dollar's kind of red. Dollar's quite red. It's heading there. Getting there rapidly. Potential major breakdown on the Dixie here. So Altcoins is perfectly holding this fib. That's looking to go. Some of these minor retracements are enough. So it's like, okay, it dipped and it came down 7.5%. That's enough. That's enough of a dip short term for continuation. Still, a bunch of these, if you're holding them, it's awesome. If you're already in them. I'm not sure I would want to enter 700% there. Yeah, hey doing? Barely live. We're having a couple of technical issues as usual. We lost half our audience again.
I was just thanking you for going over those shitcoins, Lil. I just got bored and went down the list looking for similar looking ones to what we were looking for.
Okay, cool. Thanks, man. Here's some ones to keep on our radar, just in general. We're gonna work on a list today. There's a bunch more. That's just off the top of my head real quick. Algo is way out of our buy box native. Full buy box. So again, if you're holding Algo, it's pretty sick. Gone 100% since we looked at it last month, you know. Cool, you are holding it. These amp charts are not very good. Just the charts themselves, not showing me the full history here. There we go. On Bitfinets it does. Verge. Alright, I think Verge has potential. It's not that popular right now. It could happen again. Green alert. Verge could go 10x. Yeah. we got another 10x bang. I mean, this one would need more popularity, more hype cycle to continue on a nice bull run. It's not gonna do it just out of nowhere. But nice long-term bull run right now. Maybe not exactly long term, like forever, not that cure or anything, but as of this year, nice uptrend forming. Been flat for a few years, so you gotta understand that people have been accumulating it on this flat end for a long time. What's up, River Ninja? Stream's good on my phone. What the fuck, guys? Worst comes to worst, if I can't fix it by next week, I might have to stop streaming on Twitch at least. I don't have to go that far. Yeah, 200% pretty decent short-term, mid-term target, sir. Local high. I expect it to go up there. That's what's cool about some of these. I do expect Verge to get up here around 200% target, and that's just your appetizer. That's not really true target. Get up here. What's beautiful is we don't have to worry about earnings reports or like some bad news coming out. It can happen, but it's more rare. So I'll give you a 300% target. Keeping in mind that it's not even a new all-time high. It's been higher before. So if Verge hits a new all-time high this cycle, it's over 1,000%. I'm liking these entries on some of them because those targets are huge. So FOMO buys back here at the local top, it's not going to be nearly the same kind of percent gains. You're talking like maybe 200% there and then 400% for the long term. So 400% long term on that entry compared to 1,000%. 10x, 4x versus 10x. It's a major difference on the multiples for the potential long targets, and We've seen this happen with Cardano now. If Cardano can do it, almost any of these coins can do it. Let me grab my water on the stove. Not Vitor. Like how you're thinking, that is one like this, except Vitor. The only difference is Vitor doesn't have this price history. Vitor's more new. That's okay because it works with VeChain, and VeChain's one of the top coins. That gives us reason to expect Vitor to stay around for a long time. And Verge is looking to stay around a long time as well, so there are nice long-term targets. It's just like how long, and will it get hyped up as much as you hope? But we're talking about getting in so early on it in this potential uptrend bull run going forwards all season. It's almost like getting in stuff like AMC before they're being hyped up. The early days and they're just waiting for the hype to spark. Hey, East West, talking about Tron. He said Tron's like VeChain, but twice the volume. Except you have a worse team. This is the guy who everyone thinks about when it comes to Tron, Justin Sun. Look, Tron, Justin Sun sued for $15 million. Former employees sued Justin Sun. No one likes Justin Sun, and he was the founder of Tron or whatnot. So they might be similar type of coins, but shitty people behind Tron, in my opinion. And then you have the team behind VeChain. They're actually more business oriented, in my opinion. These people look more down to business and not just trying to market a shitcoin or anything. All these real people rather than just one douchebag, essentially. But I'm sure it's come a long way. I don't know if it's still that bad. He might not even be involved anymore. I didn't have it preloaded, I typed it in real quick. So the second I saw Tron, I was like, boop, Justin Sun. Because it's an interesting way he phrased it, that it's like VeChain. So it kinda is, except for that part. So I don't really trust the developers behind Tron. Maybe they've they've improved or changed hands. that's something that stops me from being interested in it. Even if the chart's decent, we'll take a look. Maybe it's alright on the chart. Like, just because the fundamentals may not be there, they're still tradable. Again, this doesn't look like the full chart. This may be more accurate to the real chart. Still very tradable. Still could have made good money on it. I wish whoever was trying to enter it now entered it last year down there. It's up 11x from that dip from last year. So it makes you wonder the potential. I don't know how accurate this fucking candle bar is back here, guys. It may have been $6 at one point. I can't remember if it was truly that high. Let's see. See that on CoinMarketCap. Doesn't look like it. 20 cents. Looks like on CoinMarketCap 2017 we had a high of around 20 cents, 25 cents. So it's 10 cents now. It's nearly recovered all that value then. That's gotten close to recovering all the value there. So you're looking at it returning, potentially going to a new all-time high, right? Like a lot of these other popular coins. I don't like Tron, but a lot of people do for whatever reason. So you could be targeting this area long term, 20 cents, but that's like, you know, not nearly as crazy as some of the other targets. Alright, I want to show you. I think VThor is probably a good token, good coin to compare this to. What about Cardano or Ninja? I want to show you something else before I forget. Might help you be able to make a decision. But I've not had enough time charting these lately to really dive into this, so let me check this. So looking at VThor to dollar, we're gonna look at to Bitcoin. Well, oh right. So there's what's interesting on VThor here. Part of what's interesting about it. There's no Bitcoin pairing. You can't trade Bitcoin for VThor apparently at all. There's just Tether, USD, and Binance. So we've been looking at Tether chart. But you look at the Binance chart. VThor to Binance coin. Look at this. 350% targets on this recovery. It is potentially starting a brand new uptrend down here on VThor BNB. VThor to Binance token. So it's not just bullish on the dollar. It's bullish compared to this other very bullish coin as well. So Binance coin's bullish all on its own, but it's showing us that VThor is even stronger because it's long-term brand new uptrend breakout. Binance is like the number 3 coin. Number 4. Look how bullish Binance is lately. It's gone straight up all year. Incredible gains. Well over 10x. Like $30 to $500. It's interesting looking back on it. I always knew Binance, it was a bullish project. I didn't know it was gonna outpace like everything else this year. That's an extreme bull run, so this is how powerful Binance is. And then this VThor to Binance chart. So you know, like it's gonna break out. So VThor is looking like it's about to kick Binance Coin's ass somehow, some way. That's what this chart's saying. It's done it before. So not only is VThor bullish on the dollar, VThor is bullish on Binance. Alright, so you got things like VChain should have been popping. You know what? Let's try Balancer. Because Balancer is broken out here from the buy box in purple, but it's not gone too far. So I have a feeling the Bitcoin. So here's our Binance to USD chart, right? Let's see what it looks like on Bitcoin. Binance to Balancer to Bitcoin. It's bottomed out. Balancer's looking super bullish. Not just on the dollar chart, but look how bottomed it out compared to BTC. And then you have the dominance trending down.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
This hard downtrend on the dominance for now. So all of this is leading towards money flowing from Bitcoin into altcoins. Money flowing from Bitcoin to Balancer. Oh, and it would just be so beautiful if the dollar continued to lose value. Dixie chart continues to go. Oh, it's continuing down. Alright, at least for now. Bust it. For the moment, for the Labor Day, this is continuing down on the dollar right now. So dollar's losing value, crypto's gaining value, Bitcoin's losing value, altcoins gaining value. Everything's pointing towards altcoins booming right now. And they kind of are, to be fair, but yeah, I've never showed this Balancer Bitcoin chart on the stream before. Usually we're just focusing on the dollar comparison. This is very tradable as well. Some people only trade this chart. Usually I would in the past. in the past, this is the only chart I used to look at. I didn't even, well, I would look at the dollar comparison as well, obviously, just to look at it, but this is the only, I would only trade Bitcoin to altcoin pairings, not USD. Because I didn't care about the dollar value, I just wanted to trade for Bitcoin. So this is a very effective, relevant chart, and think about it, if you were only looking at this chart, then this is a very nice time to be entering Balancer. And if it does indeed continue to gain a ton of value right there on the BTC chart, well, that's clearly that's going to be gaining a lot of value in terms of US dollars as well. As long as Bitcoin's not dropping like a rock. Which it has been holding up quite strong. It's over 52,000 again. 52,100. Good. So I guess we're gonna see higher prices. Basically, River Ninja, yeah. There's definitely more than a handful that look primed and ready. If you already have some Vethor, I really got my target set on this grayscale Litecoin chart right now. It's a good time to throw that back into the mix, guys. Now that you understand how bullish the altcoin market in general is right now, you start to see like, okay, well, grayscale Litecoin's been completely oversold, bottomed out down here, all the volume, brand new interest just starting to break out. Litecoin's been popping all weekend. This could be like up at the top of the green box by tomorrow. It might go straight up tomorrow. And it's very volatile. These are huge swings for where it's at right now. Just on that short-term targets, over 100%. It's crazy. Yeah, because people haven't even realized how bullish Litecoin is itself. We're just starting to see Litecoin move up rapidly, so Litecoin went up 30+% last week. Plus over the weekend, right when this started breaking out on Friday. So it's looking to continue, follow Litecoin's lead. It's been green all weekend. And where it's sitting right now, just completely oversold there, is okay, well, you can see this 1 hour's pretty topped out looking right on the RSI, so it's like, oh, this is probably gonna come down, but that's actually what you want to see on something like this, because here you go on the 4 hour, it's just getting started. Waiting for it to go up here now. And the daily and weekly, the daily is way got the daily has not even barely just begun. That's why I'm looking at this one right now, targeting it, because the timing's right, especially with altcoins exploding over the weekend. I think not only is this one real hot for tomorrow morning, but just in general. These entries in general. It's the lowest it's ever been, so it's played out to a bear trap. This is a bear trap right now in the red box. And essentially the perfect time to be getting in. Look at the big volume spike. It looks like it's gonna go straight up tomorrow. We're gonna have to see it. Looks can be deceiving. Maybe it'll slow down after it already did pump a lot Friday, but damn. I don't think it's gonna stay down here very long. Yeah, so that's Litecoin, Grayscale. Grayscale Bitcoin, we're comparing them over the weekend. They're actually, this one's not as appealing as you might think. It's not a good chart. You gotta go to stock charts, pretty sure. Yeah, you want to go to the stock charts when you're looking for Grayscale, not crypto. So Grayscale BTC. Okay, well it's been breaking out here with Bitcoin, so we like that if you're holding it, but for a new entry, yeah, it's not nearly the same. This is already done. This follows Bitcoin, so Bitcoin's gone nuts all year. So is this. This is almost identical to the actual Bitcoin chart. In a way, you're almost like trading Bitcoin on leverage if you're trading this, because this actually moves in bigger increments. But it's nothing like that Grayscale Litecoin chart. It's really not. You're already paying 600% premium for that thing. Whereas Grayscale Litecoin, you're getting in the lowest price it's ever been. And Litecoin's bullish. The real comparison is Grayscale Ethereum, but that too has been going straight up, so this isn't an entry. You don't exactly want to be entering it here. But I've been charting this one for a long time as well, ever since it first came out. So these are actually old charts I've been keeping on the radar. These are not brand new things that we're finding right now. I understand the history of where they've been, what they've been doing. This is not a good entry on it. Your entry was back here last year after the reverse split. They did do that with Grayscale, since it's a stock. And that was an entry back then. It's gone up essentially straight up ever since in the long term. So Grayscale Ethereum's up 800%. This one's been mooning already. Those ones have already been mooning. Grayscale Litecoin completely at the bottom. See the difference? Like, this thing should be higher than where it is. Just gonna try and go there. It's the only one of the three that looks like this. However, I think there's another's in there. Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash. Grayscale bottomed out. What the fuck? So funny. This stuff's wild. Go crypto cur. I would rather be entering this thing than Bitcoin Cash itself. Forget Bitcoin Cash. This is the chart. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash did used to be like $4,000 though, but anyway. Look, if Bitcoin Cash goes up here, VeChain's gonna go to the moon. Chainlink's gonna be going up a lot. It's not just gonna be Bitcoin Cash if we see Bitcoin Cash continue up in this kind of a fashion. If it puts in a huge leg up like that, it won't be the only coin doing it. There'll be a ton of coins exploding. No, I've said I don't like Bitcoin Cash before. I don't. It's still tradable. 420 target is 420%. Excuse me, I got the hiccups. You can still make money on these things even if they're not exactly the most exciting projects. But, alright, ready? Here's how the captain does it like no other. Everyone's talking about Bitcoin Cash. 400% long-term target, okay? Whoa, long-term, probably more than that, but alright, fine. 400%, 500%, whatever. Let's see fucking Bitcoin Cash grayscale. 800% is double. That's twice as much profit. Why enter the one that 400% target when this one's 800%? Because no one knows about grayscale Bitcoin Cash. Like, so it hasn't popped yet. It's been forgotten about essentially. I think that's something else, Todd. So all the like mainstream cookie cutter boys are gonna be trading Bitcoin Cash, and you might be able to make some profits on it there, but grayscale Bitcoin Cash might 10x your money. Okay, so yeah, this the high was like $60. This could go $100, sure. Could go $100 from $6.75, $6.75. $6.77 to $100, 14x, 1,400%. This is your winner, not Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash grayscale, way more potential. Not that anyone was super excited about Bitcoin Cash anyway, but now you have it on grayscale Bitcoin Cash, and you have it on grayscale Litecoin. So those are two nice grayscale charts that have completely bottomed out, and the other grayscale charts are still at the moon, so it's not grayscale, it's the fact that they are Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin, which have recently been popping. the good amp charts. Amp. There we go, Poloniex. Very old exchange. It's tough to find the old price history on some of these. What's up with that giant gap on the weekly? Fuck happened there? Not sure what that giant gap's doing there on this Poloniex chart, but okay. That won't stop us. Now we can see more history. Yeah, amp. Okay. It's a weird ass looking chart, but that's probably part of why it hasn't even gone up really. I think it has potential. It was pretty popular. People were talking about it a lot back here. That's what I remember is it went up a lot. Right? So that does give you huge fucking targets on AMP. I think this is one of those ones that may be prone to the hype cycle though. Like we were talking about earlier with the hype cycle. If some of them are gonna need more hype to take off. Will AMP token get hyped up again anytime soon? Well, what rank is it at? 61? Probably. Rank 61. Lots of increasing volume. We're seeing this on the bullish ones this weekend. Pretty big market cap. Surprised to see a market cap in the billions like that. 5 billion fully diluted, 2.5 billion right now. This one's almost like a long-term dice roll in a way, I would say. I would want to research more about it, go to their organization website, go to their community or something, Reddit, Twitter, see what people are saying about it nowadays, make sure there are talks about it. Yeah, you've been riding it up, Native? It's almost like a long-term dice roll because there's a good chance it's long-term bullish here, but how long then? Like, it's just gonna take 3 years, 5 years. And even if it does, maybe you don't care. Like, will it take until the next halving cycle or something and just pop up one day? I don't feel like it's that sure shot as some of the others, man. Look at these odd volume spikes here and there. The volume's not very consistent there. So here's the daily chart. Look at the volume here, how sporadic it is, scattered out it is, and then it dries up right after a big pump comes in. Big volume pumps, spikes. Whoa. Look at one of the bullish ones like ICP or one of these ones. Look at ICP's daily volume compared to that. These are the things I'm looking for, guys. ICP volume, savage. It's never dried up at all. Grayscale Bitcoin Cash. Look at the volume on this. Look at all that volume coming through. Just a clear sign that people are buying it. On the bottom, that's the kind of stuff you want to see here. All this continued volume on ICP. Grayscale Litecoin, massive volume coming in down here right now. When I'm seeing those dried up volumes or like scattered volumes on AMP here, that makes me have some doubts. It's like a few whales have bought large positions here and there, whatnot. A few buying frenzies, but otherwise fairly flat for a long time. It's been essentially flat since 2018 on the AMP. So there's that. I mean, no, I haven't looked at Mana. Bing Bong? What is Bing Bong? Exchange. Never heard of that exchange. Ding dong, bing bong. I heard it was going up. I think it's been doing well, actually. This is a much better chart. Decentraland tether on Poloniex. Now you can see how far it's really come. This is why I'm not ever planning to buy this myself. It looks like you probably could have got rich off it if you got it like last year. But damn, up here, after all of that, caution. I mean, it was flat around 4 cents for a long fucking time. This is like a Dogecoin pump this year. It's gone up 25x. Okay, that's nice, Mina, that you got in real low. I wonder why you keep asking about it. Nice. Yeah, congratulations on that. Then that's a pretty decent win right there from 30 cents. Here's where Mina got in right before that breakout, probably, or maybe even on the dip. So she's up 225%. Yeah, that's a nice win if you're holding from down there, because here's what's really cool. And since you're the one who asked about it, and you're talking about that entry, I'll talk about your chart. Just got in right at a perfect spot down there. No, I wouldn't be going more into it. You just want to hold what you have right now. You don't want to raise your cost average on this. It's not worth it from here. Even the best case scenario just isn't anything remarkable. And if you say you like the project a lot, so there's gonna be more projects like this coming out over the next couple years. We'll see more stuff like this hitting the markets. Video game tokens and stuff. So yeah, you have like nice uptrend potential here. Potential parabolic all-time high like a bunch of the other coins, so it is kind of setting up for a bigger push here. That's why you could feel good about holding it if you're in low, like Nina. But I don't think the targets are gonna be anything blow you away, really. From here, I'm talking. It's tough when you're entering from here, because, okay, it kind of looks like chain link chart or V-chain or something like that. It's like, well, Captain Denwo, what's the difference? This can only go so high, my friend. This is linked to a video game project. Depending on how good or bad that video game performs is gonna completely affect the value of this token. So like, that video game's not gonna be worth the next Call of Duty, you know? It's not gonna be like the next FIFA or Madden value. Minecraft's like $1 billion video game. I don't think it's gonna go to that level ever, because few projects ever do. Minecraft is a standout game of the past like 10 years. It's one of the biggest games ever made. So Decentraland, this video game, is not gonna go like 100x, you know what I'm saying? Might be able to get a nice trade out of it. Apparently this is what it looks like. Decentraland is the video game that's tied to. So it looks cool. I mean, it's not bad for like younger gamers, maybe. I guess you can buy like virtual properties and virtual items with your mana coins and run around like a MMO virtual world where you're spending your virtual mana tokens, but it's worth real world value. So yeah, it can go up in value as the game's coming to release, whenever that happens and stuff, as it's getting more popular. But I do think it's very limited to how high it could go. I don't think it's gonna go 10x or anything. Maybe like $5 just to throw out a target. Sounds reasonable, or sounds possible without being far-fetched. Maybe you could get $5. Which is 500%, so it's very respectable, but it may not be like life-changing money, life-changing kind of trade. You like these ones that are very low? Alright, so this one, I'm gonna show you Nano now. Nano's gone up a lot, and it's still going. It's gone up a lot all year. It's gone up a lot from the bounce. I probably just should have held Nano for instead of AMC this year, but anyway, this chart's pretty damn bullish. I fully expect Nano, even though it's at $7 to $8 fucking dollars at this rate. We're talking about under $10 long-term entry on Nano for a hold. I was trading it around like 75 cents a year or two ago, guys, so it's up quite a bit from there. Here's what I like about it. I fully expect it to return to this high, and that's like $40. So even though it's gone up a shit ton, no, I guess AMC went up higher, never mind. Even though it's gone up a lot from that bottom, from 70 cents to $7, it's still 500% to get to this old high. And I expect it to hit that, go beyond it, do all-time high next altcoin bull run. It's a popular one. It's been bottomed out for years. A long time. And it's gonna come back. I expect it to come back. So if anyone likes that, you got the captain's stamp of approval for that long-term hold there. As long as you're getting in relatively low here, not getting in at $10, $15, $20, fuck that. This isn't Chainlink, you're not trying to get in at $30. $10 sounds expensive, but the risk is lower here in a way. This isn't the same kind of risk as like Tron or whatever. I fully expect the hype to return around Nano. It looks like it already did quite a bit the last few months there, so there's indeed a lot of potential. It already went to like $20 back there a couple months ago. Is that IOTA native? IOTX. Being on IOTA. I haven't looked at IOTA. I haven't even heard IOTA in years. It's a big fucking green candle though. Sheesh. Maybe everyone forgot about this. Sorry, boom. Some of these have gone nuts already, guys. 15x, 20x. I'm not sure why exactly there's so much hype over GameStop when like no one's talking about how IOTA went 20x this year. Yeah, pretty much native, but the video game industry isn't exactly in a great spot right now. They're over promising and under delivering, so I think that game has a lot of promises, and that's a lot for them to deliver on. Oh Jesus, we got DC again, for real. What? Throw out some sevens in the chat if you can hear me right now. I'm still on my phone, it still shows live. Some people are saying they disconnect. I don't get it. I'm live on my phone right now. Why would like 10 people disconnect and no one else? Mr. Nimbus Shebake, you guys are, yeah. I'm live on my phone, I see the squiggle line. What the? I'm just gonna let him refresh. It's like half the people are saying we're live, half are saying we crashed. It's more confusing than these charts. That shit's harder to solve than the trades and trading. Well, it didn't end the show like last time, that's good. I'll take what I can get. The stream's still running, even if some people are lagging or whatever. I'm just gonna keep going for now. I mean, when that happens, make sure to try refreshing first. The future. Hey, Elizabeth. It's not a big deal as long as the stream stays up, which it is right now. Damn, that's a big pump on IOTX. Yeah, you're all my guinea pigs right now to test out the connection. What a big pump on this thing. Is this shit we're looking for? Like, who doesn't want to make 700% on, how long is that, like 1 day? Two days, 3 days? Yeah. You see it says these pumps are as good if not better than our stock pumps, except they happen over the weekend too. They're working in conjunction as well. So everything we talked about with the Dixie and the Bitcoin dominance, right, and the dollar value, yeah, the dollar value, the dominance, and the market cap. Those three. Yeah, well pumped, Todd. So rather than looking at this as like a whale pumping this right here, what you more have is a whale buying the bottom, creating a floor, and they finally release all the selling pressure. So you could have had a big trader selling it down, essentially catching the dips, and they just stop selling. Shoots out after he bought it all down here. So it's not exactly that they triggered a pump right there. People just stop selling it. They stop selling it down. It's so high though right now. It went to a new all-time high already. It's kind of like Solana, you know, straight up. So you don't want to buy something that's straight up. No matter how bullish Solana may be, it's not even worth it. Why buy the pump? Buy low, sell high, not buy all-time high blue sky breakout. if people get liquidated on this, I'm gonna show you something else brand new. Well, probably for most of you. Alright, check it out. Instead of looking at Solana USD, instead of looking at Solana Bitcoin, I'm gonna look at the long positions. You can chart the longs just right here. Solana USD longs. Here's the long. Looks like people already did get liquidated back there. Here's all the leverage on Solana basically. So it is at a dangerous spot. You can see if it breaks through, like all these longs might get liquidated. They're at risk of major stop hunts. About the shorts are increasing. Check it out. Solana USD shorts are gaining. So more and more folks are shorting Solana. Less people are going long on it. That's a potential top indicator. You can do that for a bunch of them. VeChain shorts. Where's the chart? There's no VeChain shorts. No one's shorting VeChain. Chart's all fucked. Not that important on VeChain anyways, just gonna show it for fun, but I don't know what's up with this chart right now. Could just be lagging too. I don't know. Thanks, JJ. Now let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin USD. Longs or shorts? I think the longs are going to be more important right now. Since we're in a breakout area, kind of want to see the longs increasing. I mean, they are on the daily 4-hour. You have a steady uptrend on the Bitcoin longs, but again, there's that risk of getting liquidated on the longs. So we could be approaching a relatively near top, which aligns with our $56,000 resistance. It seems like not as many people are going long on it lately, so let's see the shorts. Well, shorts got wrecked right there. No one's shorting Bitcoin. Where are the shorts on Bitcoin? It's naked. Hedgies put all their shorts on AMC and they fucked up. They can't cover it on Bitcoin. Can't short them both all at once. What are they gonna do? One of them's gonna explode. Equals your X, yeah. Bullish long term, I think it's already gone up a lot though. Let's double check. ZRX, 0X. nothing against this at all. I actually like it. Kind of late on that entry on that bounce, up 150% from the epic bounce last month. Shows how bullish it is. Moving up very quick. It is not that awesome entry. Well, you're getting in down here. Maybe you did. Maybe some people did. If you got in this box on ZRX, you should just hold that fucking thing for a while. It's one of the more popular projects this year, last year. And it's in the DeFi space, so it's got DeFi hype going for it. Oh, Chloe, nope. Yeah, so if you're trying to enter it now, it's just not the same. It has a lot of potential. There's nothing wrong with the project. But we'll trust our trusty coin market cap when it comes to things like this. So you're going to be checking out what the market cap is. $1 billion. Not too big. Okay, I thought it may have been a bit bigger than that actually. It's not too bad. Oh, okay, it's rank 102. For some reason I thought it was higher. Maybe it was when we were looking at it a month ago. Or it used to be higher back in the day. Yeah, okay, it's not too bad. From here, it's not too bad. Because it's a decent project that's popular beyond the top 100, and it's very difficult to find solid projects beyond the top 100. So I don't know how big of a win it's looking to be, but when you're talking like 1 billion market cap, it could go to 10 billion easy, yeah. So it could go 10x. 5x, 10x kind of a chart. Yeah. A lot of these are primed up to do that. That's what's really fucking cool. That's why I'm really excited to be charting this nowadays. Getting more and more into it, because I don't think they're gonna wait forever. I don't think they're gonna stay down here forever. A lot of them have already blasted off. Have we been like charting Cardano or Solana 6 months ago instead of AMC every day, we probably would have made a lot of money off them already. So, oh yeah, I'm looking forward to the future of these. I'm gonna keep looking. I'm gonna keep finding them. I know there's other good ones. But we're gonna have to take our time, kind of work through them one by one. Hopefully that gives you a good idea of what to start looking for if you are trying to make entries. That's kind of the phase we're at right now, is entries, accumulation for long-term hold. Hey, ICP is popping now. ICP breakout. A rocket ship. Feels good to give ICP a rocket ship after we caught the dip at like 55 bucks. That's a healthy, strong uptrend right now. And it's continuing beyond that channel that it was just kind of wedged in between before. Now it's back on top. It's a great start. So we're looking for a continuation on ICP here as well. I'm targeting over $100 for the short term. on it. Basically 100%, well, depending where you got in on that. But then long term, crazy 10x, potentially way more if it goes to an all-time high. 10, 15x. Oh yeah, Lisk, I haven't heard that one in a while. I'm surprised it went that much already this year. Yeah. Hasn't really recovered there. Just no volume. I'm surprised it pumped that much back there in April, May. Trying to look at the 2017 chart. I know it's higher than that. There we go. Here's your realistic chart. It's a dice roll, man, but yeah, it has potential there. I've seen it go fucking crazy before. It can happen again. That's the hype that we're talking about. This really all comes down to the anatomy of a bubble. We're almost not even trading these charts. It's really trading the anatomy of a bubble chart. Like, which one of these is gonna have a fresh cycle? A lot of them. Maybe Lisk is one of those. So if we're returning to mean right now after a blow off phase, we're waiting for the stealth rate, like we're hardly even in the smart money accumulation. Keep in mind, some of these altcoins, Ethereum, Cardano, they've already gone back on this new cycle again. They're already going back to a new all-time high and stuff. Up here, we're looking for the ones that haven't yet, like Lisk, that potentially a bunch of moon boys will pile into. It's no V-chain, it's no chain link, but with all the it could go 800%, it could go 10x. Anatomy of a bubble is how we're staying ahead. The important part, especially with like Lisk there, the important part is it has been around long enough to build a solid let's call it like investor base. So all the diamond hands on this thing, all the people who've been accumulating it on the dips for like 2 years, who really believe in the project, it has that going for it. That's a big advantage, I'd say. Cool. I hope you enjoyed the crypto live stream special. Nice and early for the pre-market tomorrow, friends. Someone said their stream just lagged out, so maybe perfect timing. Hopefully you can hear me, but thanks so much for joining me today. It was a lot of fun. Happy trading, my friends. Until next time, take care.
Bye.